Welcome to my channel. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Milk and garlic is a treatment for asthma, pneumonia, insomnia, fever, heart issues, cough, and more. We have a recipe for you and it is called garlic milk. It is a medicine that is natural and it is warm. You need 500 milliliters milk, 10 garlic cloves, minced, 2 to 3 teaspoons sugar, 250 milliliters water. Method: in a pot, put the water and milk and then add the garlic. Put on the heat and let this boil a bit. The heat must be medium, not more, and stir all the time. Strain this and add sugar in this mix. Drink warm. All the benefits of this drink. Asthma. 3 garlic cloves daily at night relieves this problem. Pneumonia. Have this milk 3 times per day and treat this. Cardiac issues. This drink lessens the bad LDL cholesterol and stops clots to form, so the heart health is much better. If you make this with low fat or skimmed milk, it will be even more effective. Jaundice. The garlic is great for curing this and toxin removal too. The garlic activates good enzymes and the liver starts to work fine. Our liver needs sulfur to make the body detox and the garlic has that sulfur. This is crucial for the liver and it is even better for fatty liver disease. It has allicin, selenium too, and makes more bile so the fat of the liver is lessened. If you drink this mix for 5 days, jaundice will be gone. Arthritis. Have this mix daily and reduce such pains or inflammation. Insomnia. Such mixes soothe you and help you relax more. Cough. Add turmeric in this and the perfect cough cure is here. Make garlic, milk and turmeric for this purpose. The garlic kills bacteria and if you add even honey it will soothe the chronic cough issues forever. Thanks for watching.